Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Sign-in and Android Kotlin apps, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Sign-in in your Android Kotlin app, start by adding the necessary dependencies to your project. Open your app-level build.gradle file. Add the Google Play Services authentication dependency. Sync your project to download the required libraries. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. In the Credentials section, set up an OAuth 2.0 client ID. Choose Android as your application type. Register your app by providing your app's package name and SHA-1 fingerprint. After creating the credentials, note the client ID for later use. Next, open your Android project. In your main activity file, import the required Google Sign-in libraries. Configure Google Sign-in options using Google Sign-in options. Set the request ID token and specify the web client ID. Instantiate a Google Sign-in client using Google Sign-in.getClient. In your main activity, add a button for users to initiate the sign-in process. Set an on-click listener for the sign-in button. When clicked, call the sign-in intent by executing sign-in-client.sign-in-intent. Handle the result in onActivity result. Check if the request code matches your defined request code. If the result is successful, retrieve the account information. Use Google Sign-in.getSigned-in account from intent to get the sign-in account. Authenticate with Firebase or your preferred backend by using the account's ID token. Finally, implement the necessary logic to manage user sessions based on their sign-in status. Test your application to ensure Google Sign-in is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.